Hi everybody, I wanted to show you an app that can be very useful for taking pictures of student worksheets, student projects, posters, things like that. It's called Microsoft Office Lens, and it is available in both the Android store and the Apple store as well, the App Store. And so I've already installed Microsoft Office Lens, so once it's installed, I'm just going to click Open. Because this is Microsoft, it will sync up with your OneDrive if you choose to, and I'll be showing you a couple of options with it. So I'll go ahead and hit open. And immediately it comes up to your camera. You may have to allow the camera the first time you use it. You'll notice that red box, it's trying to find my document, and I can go closer and it still tries to find. Notice I have another piece of paper. I left it there on purpose so that it distinguishes between one piece of paper and another. So once you're pretty happy with it, the other thing to know is at the bottom, make sure you select document. It just helps the program know what you're doing. And once you get it, just take a picture like you normally would on your camera. It then says, hey, how'd you do? Is this what you wanted? If you want more or less of something, you can change it and get it perfect. When you're done, hit confirm. And you can see this picture came out fairly well. I have my name as a student at the top, so student name. I have what grade I'm in, which is very helpful. And then the name of the assignment, example assignment. If you take a picture and you see almost nothing, go to your filters, pick grayscale. Grayscale will help. That's especially useful if your light is not excellent. And then when you're done, just hit the back button. When you're ready, hit done. And here's a page that's fairly important. You want to give this file a name. My preference for naming is that you put your child's name, and then you put the grade, and then the name of the assignment. I'm going to call this example. This helps keep track of, on the teacher end, of whose it is, especially if you forget to put your name at the top of the paper. Now you'll notice some other options here. You've got Gallery, PDF, OneDrive. Gallery will send it to your phone's gallery. PDF makes a PDF of it. And then you've got the OneDrive option, and it stores it inside a folder. It creates a folder called Office Lens. So every time you do this, it will store it into the OneDrive and put it into that folder. You do have to set up your account, and I can show you how to do that. But let me go ahead and hit save and show you the next screen that comes up. You'll see some other things that I've been working on. Sometimes it takes a second for it to transfer, and then it's done. So it's as simple as that. Now it's in my gallery, and it's in my OneDrive, and I've even made a PDF of it. You probably only needed to put it in as a gallery or as a PDF, and I do recommend putting it in the OneDrive. So when you do this, one of the things that you might need to know is how to set up your account. You can go into settings, accounts. You'll notice that I already have it signed up for my school account. And you can just set your students, if you're only going to use this for your student, just use their school login and their school password. So you just click Add Account. You're going to sign in. And that's where you type the login information that is associated with your child. And you can have more than one account if you have more than one child, which is very helpful. So I hope that helps, and feel free to get back to Mr. Johansson if you have any questions about how to use it. Email is rjohansson@psd1.org, and I'd be happy to help you with this. Have a great day.